Hello everyone, in this exercise of Autocad, we will understand how to set the limits in the Autocad. Actually in the Autocad, our drawing area is endless. This one you will find, this is endless. So in order to set the limiting area or the restricted area, it will be better to set the limiting area or the restricting area. So it will enhance the zooming ability and the display. So let's start. For setting up the limits, press LIM. LIM is the shortcut for the limit. Press enter. This one. Now in the command line you see specify the left lower corner. Okay, it is showing 0 0. You can press enter, or you can 0 0, or you can press 0 comma 0. You can press also tab key, also enter. Now upper right corner. Now system is asking what is the upper right corner. Suppose our drawing is of such size, I want to move in the x direction up to 2000, and y direction is the y direction is 2000 also. So I am give the value 2000 comma 2000, this one, and enter. Now system has accepted our values so far, but it has not applied so far the limits. So for that, Z enter, A enter. Now the limit has been applied here. Okay. Now I further one thing more. I want my grid should not be on beyond the limiting area. This you will see the grids are within the limiting area as well as beyond this the limiting area. Okay, so in order to avoid the confusion, I am I'm pressing grid, grid grid, and enter. Now you command line, you see the message limit. I want to appear my display. I don't want to show the grid beyond the limits, so I press no. Here you please press here, or you press here, this one. Now this is our limits. In this way you can set the limit. Now suppose I draw a line. This is our restricted area. So this is clearly visible. This the drawing area with the grids is our restricted area. Okay, so how to use this one? Suppose I draw a line here, this one, this one, this one, this one, but I am still to draw our drawing beyond the control limits. Okay, and this way. So how I can avoid this thing? Enter. First I delete this one. Okay, this delete thing. So again press LIM. Now this LIM is the shortcut of the limits. Enter. Now you in the command line you see there is a on off, this button, two button. So I so far it was off. So I am keeping limits on, this one. If I draw the line here, if I move beyond this grid area, you will see here error is showing outside limits. So it will not be applied here. Click. So you can draw your drawing. So you can draw your drawing in the limiting area. You can't move beyond the limit area. Suppose you see your drawing first. What is the size of your drawing? Suppose your drawing is 2000 in x direction, y direction 2000. So in this way, first specify the limiting area. Accordingly, it will be easy to display, to enhance the zooming ability and the display. Okay, it is very helpful. and to draw the drawing properly. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this. Please like, share, and subscribe my this. Thank you. Thank you.